So guys, if your YouTube is not working, this is how to fix it. First of all, you have to go to Play Store. So when you get to Play Store, what you have to do next is to search for YouTube. So when it appears, just tap on it. After that, you have to check whether your YouTube is updated or not updated. When your YouTube is not updated, you have to update it before you'll be able to get the new update of YouTube, or else you won't be able to access YouTube update. So if you update it and it's not working, this is what you have to do. So next, you have to go to your phone menu and scroll to settings. So when you reach settings, just tap on the settings button, and after that, what you have to do next is to scroll to app and management or app management. So when you tap on it, go to apps. So when you tap on apps, wait for the app to load. So after that, then you search for YouTube over here. So wait for it to come. So when you search, then you tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache. Then you clear the cache. After that, then you tap on the clear storage. Then you tap on OK. Then you go back. Then you go to your phone menu. After that, what you have to do is to restart your phone or reboot your phone. If you don't have this section, then turn off your phone, then you turn it on again. This is how to fix YouTube not working or any YouTube problem. Thanks very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms. See you in my next video. Bye.